Hi guys, thanks for clicking on this video and welcome to episode 13 of my Arduino tutorials. Today's video will be very short. I just wanted to introduce you guys to a new command called map. It's the map function. It's not complicated. It's way easier than a lot of things we've been learning. And if you've watched the previous video, you know how we've been scaling things down, how we've been scaling values to certain ranges so that we can convert them. Well, with the map function, we can convert one range to another without having to actually calculate anything, without having to do any math. It makes everything much easier. Now, here is how the map function works. There are 5 values you will have to input into the map function. The first value you have to input is the value you want to scale, the value you want to convert, the value you are working with. If you've saved it in a variable, you use that variable. And the second and third are the current values you want to scale from. The second and third values stand for what you are converting from, the scale or the range you are converting from, while the fourth and fifth represent what you are converting to. So we are converting from 0 to 1023 volts all the way to 0 to 255 volts. Because we are analog reading from the potentiometer, which has the 10-bit range, and then analog writing to the LED, which uses a 0 to 1025 range, that's the 8-bit range. That's why we need to scale it, and then we're using the map function, which makes it way easier. In the code, I'm taking out the formula we've been using all this time, and I'm going to replace it with the map function. Now I'm using this value as the first one, port val, which is the potentiometer value we are reading. The second is, now we're scaling from 0 and 1023. So that point from 0 and 1023 to 0 and 255. So 0, 1023, 0, 255. And we put a semicolon at the end. And now we are going to have to read or map it onto a variable. That's our LED value. So I've made a variable and I'm storing that in it. Write it to the serial monitor and then upload. Make sure your Arduino is connected before you upload. When you're done writing the code, you upload, and then you can toggle your LED and see the changes. It works the same as what we did in the previous video. Or if you've not watched the previous video, this will all sound a bit confusing. I truly hope it's not too confusing. But you can check out the previous video to see what we're talking about. So you toggle the knob and then it changes the LED voltage. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more information, I'll be leaving stuff on my website, which link will be in the description. You can check it out if you want to. I'll see you guys in the next one.